I think if Mika ever took an hour for 4 games, he'd kill himself. Oh wow!
Incredible shot.
And the 9 ball. Mika ever took an hour for 4 games, he'd kill himself. Oh wow!
Incredible shot.
Here I come. Swerte.
Magandang umaga mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Welcome to Sports Hub Reaction and Commentary Videos. For today's reaction video, ito i-witness natin yung mga laban ni Efren Bata Reyes dito sa mga kalaban niyang pool masters, no? Dito sa table na ito, makikita natin ang laban nila ay 9 ball race to 7. Hill to hill match ito mga kabilyard, no? Ito yung 2014 World 9 Ball Championship match. Kalaban niya dito itong si Dennis Grave. At dito nga tumitira pa rin si Efren Reyes, pero makikita natin medyo alanganin, no, yung posisyon ng 8. Kaya panoorin natin mga kabilyard kung paano nagawa ng paraan ni Efren Reyes yan at manalo dito sa hill to hill match na ito. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard. At dyan nga, matagumpay na naipasok ni Reyes yung 8. Unfortunately, medyo mahina or napalakas, no, yung tira dito ni Reyes dahil nga dumikit itong cue ball sa 9. Medyo mahirap ito mga kabilyard, no? All 6 ang score natin dyan, raised to 7. Medyo alanganin si Efren Reyes dito sa tira na ito dahil nga either na napalakas or napakahina nung tira na yon, dahil kailangan pumosisyon lang dito sa 9 na ito, either dito sa kabilang side, sa kabilang corner pocket sa ibaba, no, left and right. Pero dahil nga tumutok itong cue ball, medyo mahirap yung posisyon na yan. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ni Efren Reyes dito. At dito nga sa play safe ni Reyes na yan, medyo mahirap talaga yan dahil nga malayo at saka nakadikit yung cue ball doon sa rail at napakalayo nitong 9, no? Pwedeng mag-bank shot dito si Dennis Grave, pero tingnan natin kung magka-counter safety ba siya dito. Mukhang hindi siya comfortable doon sa tira niya na yon, kaya sinipat niya ng mabuti at gumawa siya ng magandang paraan kung paano niya ma-counter itong safety ni Efren Reyes. Kaya sundan natin mga kabilyard. At dito nga mukhang napasobra yung tira dito ni Dennis Grave, no, at na-open itong table dito kay Efren Reyes. Easy shot na ito mga kabilyard, pero tingnan natin kung anong ginawa ni Reyes dito sa tira na ito. Mukhang tumapilok yung tira niya dito. Ayun nga, napanipis, no, yung tira niya. Fortunately mga kabilyard, naka-play safe pa rin, kaya ito kumamot ng ulo itong si Dennis Grave. Nagkamali na si Reyes doon, pero ito may chance pa na makapag reverse bank shot itong si Dennis Grave. So tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan yan. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard. At dyan nga sa tira na yun ni Dennis Gray, no, counter safety lang ang ginawa dito ni Dennis Gray. Pero tingnan natin at panoorin kung paano kalupit itong ginawang reverse bank shot ni Efren Reyes doon sa corner pocket sa bandang itaas. No? Kaya dito na makikita ni Dennis Gray na hindi talaga kayang itago or if play safe itong bola kapag si Efren Reyes ang tumitira. Kaya panoorin natin mga kabilyard. At dito naman sa pangalawang setup na ito, makikita natin magkakaroon din ng heel-to-heel match dito mga kabilyard. No? Yan nga, ang kalaban ni Efren Reyes dito ay yung South Korean full master na si Yang Hwa. Race to 9 ito, all 8 na yung score natin dyan. At dito nga mukhang dry break, no? Yung tira ni Reyes. Tingnan natin kung makagawa ng paraan dito si Yang Hwa sa final rock na ito. Kaya sundan natin mga kabilyard. At dyan nga medyo alanganin yung posisyon nitong cue ball, no, dahil nga may harang na 7, kaya mapipilitan ngayon itong si Yang Hwa na itirahin ng awkward shot itong ball number 2. Ganun pa man na ipasok pa rin ni Yang Hwa, no, itong 2 at nakakuha ng magandang posisyon dito sa 3. Kaya sundan natin kung ma-run out ni Yang Hwa itong final rock. At dito nga mukhang iniispatan niya itong 3 sa side pocket para makakuha ng magandang posisyon dito sa 4. Unfortunately, ito nga lumabas yung 3, no, at ganun pa man naka-play safe, no. Hindi makapaniwala dito si Yang Hwa dahil nga hindi pumasok yun, at dito mukhang may chance naman si Reyes para maka-kick shot dito sa ball number 3. At dyan nga, swerte pa rin si Reyes, no, dahil naitago niya sa likuran ng 9 itong 3. At mapipilitan ngayon si Yang Hwa na mag kick shot para patamaan niya itong 3. Medyo dikit ang laban dito mga kabilyard, no, at medyo ninenervyos na rin itong si Reyes dahil nga hindi siya makapagpasok ng magandang tira at makaposisyon ng magandang ball positioning. Dahil dyan, nakakuha pa rin ng magandang play safe itong si Reyes. At ito nga, magkikick shot ngayon itong si Yang Hwa. Tingnan natin kung matamaan niya itong 3. Natamaan niya naman, pero ito mukhang ma-open itong cue ball para sa ball number 3. Sundan natin mga kabilyard. Diyan nga pumasok sa side pocket, no, yung napaka hirap na posisyon na yun, dahil diyan nagkakaroon ng magandang ball position itong si Reyes. Meron siya ngayon chance na may run out itong final rock, no, at talunin dito sa championship match na ito itong si Yang Hwa. At ito nga, aiming si Reyes diyan sa 4 balls na lang ang hinihintay ni Reyes para manalo, no, dito sa kanilang championship match. Kaya sundan natin yan mga kabilyard. Tulad nga ng inaasahan natin, ito mukhang tatapusin na nga ni Reyes, no, itong heel-to-heel match na ito. Talagang hindi ninenervyos sa mga ganitong klaseng labanan itong si Reyes dahil nga sa kanyang experience. At dito mukhang naipasok ni Reyes, muntik na yon, pero ganun pa man, panalo si Reyes dyan. Dito naman sa susunod na laban, si Efren Reyes kasama niya itong si Bustamante, no? At ang laban nila dito, ito nga 8 ball race to 8, all 6 ang score, at ito na sa final ball na yun, pasok yung 8 doon, kaya abante ng isang puntos itong si Cory at saka itong si Mike. Last rack na lang, no, ditong si Cory at Mike, dahil race to 8 lang yan, 7-6 ang score. At dito nga sa break na yan ni Cory, mukhang pinagbigyan, no, nakakuha ngayon ng tira itong grupo ni Efren Reyes, kasama niya itong si Bustamante. 7-6 ang score natin dito mga kabilyard. Tingnan natin kung ma-run out nila itong rack number 14. Kaya sundan natin yan.
Both groups lay okay.
Now that I look,
All this just means he's limiting himself to one pocket on the 8 ball. Although when the 6 is removed, it actually might go in
he's
both
shooting
corners.
these balls off now, though. These three, I'm pretty sure, like this.
Well, right. When you play 8 ball, you kind of want to work in sections of the table. So he's going to clear these 3, then the other solids are all down the other end, and he'll have cleared the alleys for the 8.
And I believe he'll shoot the 2, then the 3, then the 4.
4 to the 8.
Right. The 2 first, then the 3.
Well, that's okay. I thought he might have had a little more angle than he wanted, but I think
Yeah,
he can hold.
I
I mean,
yeah,
if he
a little
has to,
straighter.
Bobby, he can go 2-4-3. Just
Yeah.
get straight in on the 4 ball.
Yeah, either way.
And maybe that's what he's doing just because of the speed of the shot.
There you go. Yeah, either
If
way.
Efren was straighter on the 2, he would have.
Dito nga mukhang maganda yung pinapakitang teamwork nitong dalawa na ito, at maganda yung cue ball positioning, no? Dahil dyan nakakakuha sila ng magandang ball position para mai-clean up nila itong rack number 14. At dito mukhang kailangan nilang tumabla dahil nasa top of the hill na nga itong kanilang kalaban. At dito aiming si Reyes para sa last ball dito sa rack number 14. Mukhang ito na nga, tatabla na at magkakaroon tayo ng hill to hill match. Pasok yung 8, hill to hill match ito mga kabilyard, race to 8 yan. At dito si Django Bustamante naman ang magbe-break para sa rack number 15 at tiebreaker. At para dito sa malupitang break ni Bustamante, may 2 bolang pumasok, kaya tingnan natin kung paano gawa ng paraan yan ni Efren Reyes at ni Bustamante.
Favorite game, which I was raised playing, is Banks.
Oh, sure. Yeah.
Very little luck in Banks.
Yeah. They didn't play much Banks in New England. That's where I was raised.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
you know, I mean, I never really got exposed to Banks till I moved to the West Coast.
Where I was from, that's where all the great bank players, Kentucky, all around there.
Sure.
And everybody plays.
Bobby here, he's got to take solids only because he doesn't have a nice stripe to start with. And a lot of times the lay of the balls and what you have to shoot first
He's
will
gonna
force you
use
to take
inside here.
will force you to take the group that maybe you really didn't want to take. But the only ball he's got to get on is the 4. It's way up table.
Does it go?
Oh yeah, I think it goes. I think it actually goes in both pockets. But
You know
he'd
what I
like
would do? I would shoot the 3.
come
and-
out for the 2 and
or
go
maybe
from
not.
the 2 down to the 4, then
Right.
come up and the
For
1,
the
5,
1,
8.
yeah.
Right,
You
right.
got to leave the 1 there to get
To get
play.
to the 5. Right.
From, from the 4, you got to leave the 1.
Right, right. But
You know,
I mean, the 4 to the 1, and the 1 to
Right.
the 5, and the 5 to the 8.
Right.
So
right,
if
right,
he can
right.
get the good angle on the 2 here,
He did.
he can do. But he can go to the 4 off the 5, and it plays just as easy.
That's what
4,
I was.
1,
that's
2.
what I was going to do. And he'd
Right.
go into this.
I'd go center ball
He
here.
might go 2 rails.
Yeah, I think he'll go 2 because
the
he's
long rail,
well. He's
above the
Efren.
diamond.
He's Efren, and
like
he-
this.
oh, that's
Sweet.
about a foot short, but it should be okay. Francisco's going to have to bounce into one of these stripes. I don't know if he can miss them. Maybe he can. Just come to the right of the 11 ball.
He's going to try to miss the 11. And just,
Yeah, it's going to come like where his left arm is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, how sweet. Don't be on the rail.
Freeze the cue ball. Right? It doesn't have the one.
Look what he's undone.
Yeah, he missed the deuce.
Who missed the two? How could you miss the two?
Efren did.
How the heck did he miss the two?
I don't know.
We were talking.
Maybe that's why he missed it.
I almost told you.
I think he let him see the one.
And squat it.
If they let him see the one.
At dito nga napakahusay nung ginawang tira na yan, no? Mukhang may chance na ngayon itong si Bustamante na makapenetrate dito sa object ball niya at makakuha ng magandang ball position para sa next object ball. Kaya tingnan natin mga kabilyard kung magawa ng paraan ito ni Bustamante. Maganda yung pagkakapi na. At ito, mukhang may pasok pa rin yung dos. At dahil dyan, kailangan pumasok yan at para manalo silang dalawa, itong si Bustamante at saka itong si Efren Reyes. Medyo gipit yung posisyon na yan, pero tingnan natin. At doon nga medyo manipis, no? Ganun pa man na ipasok ni Reyes. At back to table itong si Bustamante para sa final shot na yan sa side pocket. Panalo si Reyes dyan, 8-7 ang score. At dito naman panoorin natin yung mga magic shot and double shot ni Efren Bata Reyes. Maraming salamat sa panonood mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Don't forget to subscribe. At dito nga makita natin yung mga tirada, no, nitong double pocket shot ni Efren Bata Reyes. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.